Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you enjoy yourself. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love having you guys here. Has my shirt been twisted all day? I think maybe it has. Who knows? But I'm enjoying my fancy new do, which is probably not new to you at this point. But today, you see it out of frame. But it's the KitNip box, the KitNip box. We all love the KitNip box, especially my kits, the kittens, because there's catnip toys in here, and snacks. I can't say the T word, T-R-E-A-T, because they will lose their freaking mind and come running. And this is a $19.99 monthly subscription, but I get it only every other month. Otherwise, I would have a million cat toys. And the cats really do enjoy the toys that come from this box over other toys that we get for them. I think that they use really good quality toys and good quality catnip. And I've been getting this box for about 2 years now. I've got powder on my chest. Good Lord, what's wrong with me? And this is what it looks like inside. And there's a little card. And it says, thank you, and a little fireside scene. And I am going to put my glasses on. Oh, hell yeah, with this haircut. Fuck yeah. I'm so vain. I'm just so tickled. I just got this haircut today, and I've recorded a couple videos, so you may have seen it already, or maybe you're seeing it for the first time. I don't know which one is going up when. But anyway, this is tells you what's in the KitNip box, and it tells you the value of each item. And there's a jingle toy in here. And there will be a cat in here in just a second once they figure out the jingle is coming from here. Oh, it's Christmas themed. Christmas and Hollis Queens, Mom's Cooking Chicken and Collard Greens. The Run DMC song Christmas in Hollis is one of my favorite Christmas songs, and it's from a very special Christmas, the first one that came out in the 80s, because I'm old. Anyway, the first thing that's in here is a wand, and it's got a pitiful little feather. Oh, the cats are already here. They're so excited. They know that there's good stuff in this box. The jingling brought them. I've got 2 out of the 4 cats with me here already. And this is the Santa hat wand. Ho, 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 and a meowy Christmas. This adorable, interactive wand jingles with the joy of the holiday season. Measuring a paw, some 28 inches of velvety and feathery fun. This toy will have your feline companion, heralding the arrival of Santa Claus all month long, $7. It's all wrapped up, and you have to unwrap it to play with it. So, sorry you don't get that right away. But they will get some other toys while they're getting it. And then a kitty crinkle. Oh, here we go. A kitty crinkle. Ooh, they're gonna get this. There's almost all the cats are here. Kitty crinkle reindeer kicker with a soft and fuzzy head and detailed embroidery. Literally, little Ruby is pulling the box down out of my lap. The soft and fuzzy head and detailed embroidery, your toe-beaned baby will be bunny kicking up a storm all winter. Adorable reindeer has a bright red nose and is ready for bed in his crinkly pajamas that are filled with catnip and textured for extra enjoyment, $7. Anyway, they're going to get this toy right away because I know they're going crazy. Yep, they're already going crazy for it. They're sniffing it right now. Next up, we have a Happy Snowman, and it's 100% catnip filled. And your fur pal will be purring with glee when they get their paws on this absolutely nip-tastic toy made of fabric as fluffy as fresh fallen snow and stuffed with nothing but the finest North American catnip available. This Happy Snowman will have your meower licking and kicking for hours, $6. And, you know, like a lot of boxes, they could inflate the prices, but these are pretty, you know, if you go to Target or somewhere, a toy pet store, you're going to spend some money. Ooh, he's squishy. Feels like he's got little beans in it, like a beanbag chair. Let's get this one out. And catnip toy. Jesse is on that one like white on rice. He loves the catnip toys. Oh, Ruby's on it now. And we're not done yet. All for Paws Elf Stocking Toss. Oh, this has got the bells. They love the bells. And that is freaking adorable. The elves were so busy making toys at the North Pole for your kitty that they seem to have lost a stocking. Fun, bushy marabou accents this pint-sized toy for perfect little paws. Filled with squishy plush and fun crinkle, this toy packs a punch with a grade A catnip and a touch of silver vine to keep your furry friend entertained all Meow Day season. $5. Look at this one right away too. They love the jingle bells so much. All right, and then last but not least from the KitNip box, got all kinds of little fur and little things all over me. And this is some snacks. They love these. And they've had this brand before and they go crazy for them. Wellness Kitty grain-free chicken and cranberry recipe cat crunch treats. Made with high-protein chicken as a first ingredient. These tasty treats are a healthy snack that you can feel good about. Less than 2 calories per treat. And packed with wholesome ingredients like peas, blueberries, and cranberries. These are great for rewarding or just treating your cat to a scrumptious snack. $4. So this is a great box. You totally get your money's worth. So 14, 20, 25, 29. You get $29 worth of cat toys and snacks for $19.99. And it's fantastic. And I think you should try it. Usually they have discount codes. So if you go to the KitNip box website, they might have a code there for you. I tried to get a code for you guys, but they wanted me to fill out like almost tax kind of paperwork, and it was just a lot of work for a couple $1 code for you guys. You deserve it, but they don't need to have all that information about me. Did I tell you too much? But I did look into it, but it was going to be like a lot of work, and I'm kind of lazy. So I want to thank you guys so much for being here today. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.